In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all event in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to remove every event from a calendar in just a few clicks and how to back up your schedule first so you don't lose anything important. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid and then choose Calendar. This takes you into Google Calendar on the web, which is where these controls live. Next, look to the top right of Calendar for the gear icon and open Settings. Inside Settings, find Import and Export in the left sidebar. This is a great moment to create a backup before you wipe anything. Click Export to download a zip file containing ICS files for your calendars. Keep that file somewhere safe so you can restore events later if needed. Now in the left sidebar, locate the list of your calendars. Click the specific calendar whose events you want to remove. Double check you've selected the correct one, especially if you have personal, work, or shared calendars with similar names. On that calendar settings page, scroll to the section called Remove Calendar. Here's the key action. If it's a secondary calendar you created, you'll see an option to delete. Clicking delete permanently removes the calendar and all of its events from your account. Confirm the prompts to finish. If you're working with your primary calendar, you won't be able to delete it, but you'll see an option to clear all events. Choose that to wipe every event while keeping the calendar itself. If the calendar belongs to someone else and is shared with you, you'll see options to remove it from your view instead of deleting it for everyone. Once you confirm, head back to the main calendar view. Give it a moment and refresh the page. You should see that all events from that calendar are gone. Changes may take a little time to sync across your phone and other devices, so be patient if you don't see the update instantly. That's it. Open Calendar, go into Settings, back up through Import and Export, pick the calendar and remove it or clear it if it's your primary. Be careful because this action is permanent and that export step is your safety net. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly clean up your Google Calendar.